All right, what's up YouTube? Topwater Tony, finally at the lake with my boat. This is the first time launching it in 2020, so it's been a while. We got the SJ came up here. We're gonna try to make a little, what would you call it, a point of view boat launching video. So we got a beautiful day out here and hope everybody's doing okay. We're gonna try to catch some fish and at least make a boat launching video. I've got like 4 of them. 4 boat launching videos, but I think this is the first one I've ever done with like a head cam. I don't know if it's gonna make any difference. Hopefully this video helps you guys be a little confident in solo launching. All right, the first thing you want to do is you want to get your stuff ready before you get down to the boat ramp. That's always very important. There's really nobody here right now, maybe 2 boats I think and a couple kayaks, so there's really nobody there's really no line or whatever. So but we're just going to show you how to do it. Get your boat ready and ready to launch. First thing you want to do is, actually my first thing is I've got my fish finders back here in the back, so we need to get those ready. Like I said, it's always important just to get your stuff ready and not try to do this kind of stuff at the boat ramp. The little wires hooked up. Tighten that down. Go up here to the front. Control the motor, go to the back, undo the straps. You got the retractables there. Undo strap number 2. Make sure your drain plug's in. It's in. Oh, crashed the camera into the boat. Check. Into the motor, I should say. Get off, take off the transom saver. I like using the rope technique. Hook it up like that. Hopefully the camera's still aimed right after I smash it into the boat motor. Roll up a little bit. Put it right there. Make it a little knot. The one other thing I like to check right now is my power poles. One of them loses Bluetooth connectivity. Oh, they're both going. And it's not a bad idea just to do a quick once around, make sure you got everything taken care of. Straps off, transom saver off, plug in. This side's free. Guess we'll go ahead and get the key ready. Can't reach it, we'll put it right there. Alright. Emergency brake and park. Take off the main strap. Camera turned again, so it's probably gonna be a crappy shot. Some people don't really care for the rope idea, but I like it. And actually, I could just put the power poles down and we should be stable. I'll go ahead and take the rope off. Take care of that when I get back. Hashtag dirty hoe. And now we park it and then get ready to fish. Always make sure your lights are off. You'd probably notice that anyway. Hit that alarm. Well, that looks like another successful boat launching. So hopefully that helps. It's real simple. Just take your time. Like I always say, take your time, especially when people are like rushing you, so to speak. They got their eyes on you. They can't wait to get in the water. Just take your time, do your thing. All right. I'm going to cut this off. Thanks for watching. I'm going to get my stuff ready to fish and hopefully catch a couple. Poles up. Shove the boat off. Without getting your feet wet. And we are floating, baby. Oh no, I got my foot wet. Oh well. Alright, until next time, catch you later. Peace.